In this video I'm going to show you how to create a project in Jira. So what we will do, open your Jira account, and after that you will find the left interface over here where we can find the option project. And as you can see, there's a little plus sign on the side and we will select create project. After that you are able to select the right template for you. So for now I will use the Kanban option. You have a variety of templates available in this list, so choose the one which suits your project. After that, use the template, and now you can scroll a little bit down, and as you can see you have different options. Now I will select this one, and then we have to add a name into our project, so we will name our project, let's say YouTube videos. Now you can select the project type. I have a team managed project type because I have several team members who work on this project for the YouTube videos. So this one suits for me. If you have a company managed project, then you can use this one. For now I will use the first option, and as you can see we can also select the access. Now if you want to give people access, then you can select different permissions over here. For now I will leave it on open and then select next. As you can see, you have also an option to invite your team members into it. Now you can enter names of your organization or single emails of the people which are invited into your project. Now you can also select the role, so you can select an administrator, a member, or just a viewer, so they can only view and comment on your team's work, but nothing else. So if you would like to let people edit the project, then you can select the member option and they can edit and collaborate on your work or project. For now I will leave it on members. And once you have entered the email, then you can click on invite and continue. For now I will skip it because I am not going to invite people at this moment in this video. And then you have successfully created a new project in Jira. As you can see, we have our project over here, YouTube videos. Now you can scroll through all these options in this top interface and start creating your project further. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye.